Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10, Samsung's 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone, and it's revolutionary. It's innovation at its peak in 2019, and in this video let's talk about some of the things that are changing from the previous generation, what's new, what you should be excited about, all of that in this video. So with that being said, let's get started. So starting off with the biggest and the most exciting change, that is the display. So on the Samsung Galaxy S10, you're gonna have infinity display on the next level. It's gonna be bezel-less and a rumored screen to body ratio of 94%. So Samsung is able to pull that with 3 steps. First up is the in-screen fingerprint scanner that is ultrasonic, cover 30% of the bottom screen, and it is better than the optical scanner. Also you have in-screen cameras, so yeah, you're gonna have the front camera built into the display. It's gonna be visible, it's not gonna be covered or anything, but still it's just gonna be the hole. There's no notch and there's very less bezel on the phone as well. Samsung is saying a goodbye to the iris scanner because it takes up a lot of space. Now talking about the Galaxy S10, there's gonna be 3 models, so Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10 Lite. Now the S10 Lite might have an optical fingerprint scanner or a fingerprint scanner in the power button. Now talking about the specs on the Galaxy S10, it's a beast of a phone. Snapdragon 855, 8GB of RAM, 128 to 512 GB of storage, 4000 mAh battery, and in terms of the Exynos CPU, it's going to be 7nm. It's also going to support Samsung's in-house manufactured AI technology. This is just going to be a beast in terms of performance. Also talking about the cameras, you're going to be having ultra-wide, telephoto, and a normal rear camera. So yeah, it's an expected triple camera setup on the back. Headphone jack is still here, and also water resistance and durability, and the design of the phone itself will still be carried forward from the previous generation. And yeah, the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus and S10 Lite are coming in February 2019, and I'm excited. You guys should be as well. Like this video if you liked it, if it was helpful, if it was entertaining in any way. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite feature of the Galaxy S10. Sorry for the background noise, it is Diwali in India, so yeah, for all those Indians who are celebrating it, a very happy Diwali to you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.